Hey everybody, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. Today I'm going to be doing a video, another diamond painting video because I'm having so much fun. I found another keychain. As you can see, I have on my faux diamonds. I've made up in my mind that every time I do a diamond painting video, I'm going to put on my faux diamonds for the occasion. I have so many really pretty and cool looking diamond costume jewelry rings that I'm going to start whipping out for these videos. I think it's so appropriate and just fun. It just keeps this whole experience fun for me. So this particular keychain is by the company Diamond Art Club. I purchased this kit off of the site Creative Creations with a K. The creative is with a K and creations is with a K. I don't know if this is still in stock on their website, but I love this turtle. Reminds me of my Squishmallow cane because he is a turtle. He's my favorite Squishmallow stuffy that I own. And I want to see what this is about. So this looks like an all-inclusive kit here. These diamonds on this picture look a little bit more sparkly than usual. So it comes with one keychain, superior quality diamonds, diamond applicator, and a comfort grip, okay, a wax pad, and a crafty tray. And it tells you the instructions. Okay, I really like this. Now these, excuse me, I cannot get rid of this cough to save my life. These diamonds here look different from the regular diamonds I've been getting from my other kits. So they call these superior quality, and they definitely look superior quality. I don't know if that's coming up, but y'all, these are way more sparkly than my Five Belows. Now this diamond painting kit, I don't remember how much it was, but it was more than $1 and it was more than $5. Here's my little turtle, my little baby. So this looks like it's not going to take me any time at all. And I'm very excited about it. I love that the keychain already comes on this turtle versus when I did my Dollar Tree keychains, I had to loop the keychain on it myself. And what I'm going to do is when I finish my little turtle, I got to give him a name. I'm going to link this turtle on this keychain loop. So I'm going to be building a large diamond painting keychain here. I gotta think of a name for my baby. Oh, they call this the Happy Turtle, so let's name him Happy. His name is Happy. Isn't this so appropriate, guys? I'm at the beach and look, there's seashells and starfish. This is so appropriate for where I'm at. Everything is just so aligned right now this week. So let's see what came in this kit here. It looks like we have, okay, so it looks like they gave you some plastic bags if you wanted to save your drills, your extra drills. And that's fantastic. That's fantastic. But I came prepared. So I have some extra drill cases here. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 colors. So I will be able to keep my extras in here. And I'm running out. I only brought one container because I actually did not think I was going to be doing this much diamond painting. I didn't think I was going to enjoy it that much. So I only brought one container for my leftovers. I have like 3 more of these at the house, but yeah, I should have brought more of those. I didn't think I was going to be doing this. So they give you the standard pen with the comfort grip. I bought a set of these with the comfort grips from Hobby Lobby. These are kind of hard to slide. This comfort grip is kind of hard to slide on to these pins. Hold on. So I got it on. So this is their blue comfort grip pen. And I do like that the tip, no, the tip is kind of an average size in comparison to, where's my other tip? feel like this one is still thinner. Yeah, I'm still going to use this diamond painting pen that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is my favorite one so far, this stylus rather. I'm going to put this one with my collection of others that I'm collecting from all these diamond painting kits. I do love that they gave me these plastic bags, and if I keep diamond painting, because I do have some more kits, I'm going to have to use these because I didn't bring my extra little trays. So I do have these for my little sparklies. Oh, their wax is hearts. They gave you heart wax. They gave you a lot of heart. Oh, they gave you two. They gave you two heart wax. This is just really thick. And then they gave you another tip. I think this is a multi-placer as well as a little scoop thing where you can, align your diamonds. I've been using the tips like this to like align my diamonds when I'm done, but I think I heard someone else say that these are also like multi-placers, but I don't ever plan on really placing multiple diamonds at one time. I don't think I'll ever be doing big enough kits for that. And then they did give me a little tray here. I do like this tray better than the Dollar Tree trays. It's made more like this Hobby Lobby tray, but this Hobby Lobby tray is still bigger. But I will go ahead and use this tray because it's made the same and I can pour out my extra diamonds really easy. So looks like the eyes, number 6, it looks like there's only two number 6s for the eyes. So the eyes are blue. I don't see any more 6s. So we'll go ahead and start with the eyes and then we'll work our way around and I'll show you my finished result. So Happy did have a film over him. It was a very thin film, but there is the standard film. And I just want to show you guys, these superior diamonds, I'm already telling a big difference. And it's going to be hard for me to go back to these dull diamonds. Okay. Just, you can always tell a difference when you spend a little bit more on something. But these really sparkle. Look at the difference. These are like aqua blue. We're going to go ahead and do his eyes. I love that this is heart, that this is shaped as in a heart. My first wax with a different shape. I just love this. Ooh, it's a bit more sticky. Okay, let's go ahead and do his eyes. 6 only has 2. Only see 2. So the blue is only for Happy's eyes. I don't see any more 6s on here, unless I'm missing something. But right now, I only see 2. So all these extra beautiful diamonds will be used however I want to use them later. So Happy's got eyes. I don't see any more 6s on here. So they give you a beautiful amount of diamonds to keep for later. So I'm gonna, let's see what I want to do next. I'll do the 3s next, since there aren't that many of the 3s. I'm going to save these. Save these beautiful blue superior diamonds that are absolutely superior. I'm gonna have to get the freestyle kit from Five Below now. When I saw it, I was like, I don't need it, but I'm gonna need it. So let's go ahead and do 3. 3 is this beautiful goldish yellow. So let's go ahead and pour those out and just look at how those look. I love this tray. I'm definitely going to be looking up this company to buy some more kits if they have small ones. I'm only into the small stuff, guys, so don't even say go bigger, because these are big enough. I am planning to do those Highland Cow kits from Hobby Lobby, and those are already freaking me out. So 3, look at how beautiful and sparkly this is. Now that gives you the vibe of a real diamond. So Happy has yellow in various places. I'm standing up, so pardon any weirdness that you may see as I'm trying to capture just a few placements here. Let's go ahead and place, let's go ahead and place this this fourth one here. So Happy, that's very gorgeous. This is going to be stunning when it's over. I'm going to go ahead and complete Happy and show you the end result. Okay, I'm making my way through, and I'm just really pleased with these, what they're calling superior quality diamonds. I can tell a major difference, and I just want to call out too, that with the superior quality diamonds, when it's flipped over on the wrong side, it's a different color. It's silver. So for a beginner diamond painter like me, who hasn't done this except this one full day so far with various projects, it's very easy to tell, like, oh, this is the wrong side. I need to pick it up on the blue side and place it. So the superior diamond is a huge, huge difference here. I mean, the shine, the sparkle, I mean, this is what you think of when you think of diamonds, right? This is what you think of when you think of diamonds, right? So this shines, like these from Five Below do have a more of a matte shine, but these truly sparkle. The same thing with Dollar Tree. I know I keep showing it, but I just want to show the difference here. It is a major quality difference in the diamonds. I guess maybe not quality difference, but how do you want your diamond painting to look or feel, and how do you want it to sparkle? This is I like this better for me, because when I think diamond painting, I think I want it to sparkle bright. And so I'm so happy that I'm seeing the differences between the drill types with these projects. So I'm going to keep going with Happy, but I just wanted to mention that with these, when the diamonds are flipped on the wrong side, it's easier to tell. When those other diamonds were flipped on the wrong side, they're the same color on both sides. So if you don't know that, if you can't tell if it's flipped over where the flatter side, it could be hard to see, harder to see, because both sides are the same side. So that's a huge difference that matters if you're a beginner. So in no time at all, I finished Happy. He's quite beautiful. I'm going to put some diamond painting glue on Happy and let him cure overnight. This was absolutely awesome. I've really loved this. And I really love these superior quality diamonds. I could tell a huge difference. I'm going to link Happy with these pieces. Probably just link the small loop on here. I'm eventually going to put everything on a more sustainable keychain as well, but I got a nice little collection going. And just to give you guys an idea of what I'm planning on doing next, I am going to attempt these double-sided ornaments, this diamond painting kit from Hobby Lobby, which was originally $4.49, but I believe I got it for 40% off. This is, of course, Valentine's Day inspired. It looks like this one has the more sparkly diamonds too, and it comes with the tray, the stylus, the wax. It also comes with the ornament keychains, but the interesting thing about these is that these are double-sided, so it's double the trouble, guys. Look, so I'm guessing both sides are sticky. I don't know how long these are going to take me. Probably not long, because these have been going very quickly, but it's like doing 2. So instead of 4, it's like 8. So I think I'm going to tackle this tomorrow starting in the morning and try to get through it and make a separate video for these and see how they turn out. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and put some turtles in the comments. Put some turtles for happy in the comments. Thanks, guys. Bye.